Gira Kunani from NCT Mwanza campus. Actually, it has been our culture of just getting out of the college. We are doing different kind of practical, and this practicals includes everything, almost everything, all the way from the small creatures, from invertebrates, from plants, all the way to mammals, birds, to know how the natural environment or the natural ecosystem works.
My name is Juma Bakari Mgube from National College of Tourism.
My name is Adija Amiri Jongo from NCT College at Mwanza.
Today we had a good tour at Sanane, Iceland. We saw invertebrate and vertebrate animals. Most of the interesting thing is birds. We saw different kind of birds.
The good thing at Sanane National Park, there are different species like birds. We come here so as to study practically.
Trying to prepare this generation so that they can have this better understanding of having the hand-on experience, because most of them, they're going to work in the same environmental conditions, in the same kind of working areas. So if we can have this culture always and to practice trying to learn even the small kind of science symbols, the fecal materials, the scats, but also the spores. This makes them like having the insights, the deep insights, because if we introduce them just once, meaning that maybe they're going to forget. So if we can have make it like a culture, a lifestyle, if they learn today, tomorrow they are going also to be reminded the same thing, meaning that they are going to gain the better understanding of these particular things. So in a month we can do it twice or 3 times a month, and we have the newcomers, but within these few months they have something to tell about the natural world and the natural ecosystems.